Here's how to quit for good with Nicorette Quickmist mouth spray. Nicorette Quickmist starts to relieve cravings in 30 seconds. Nicorette Quickmist helps you quit when you're ready. Comes in fresh mint and cool berry flavors. Here's how to get the best results using Nicorette Quickmist. Nicorette Quickmist is easy to use. To open the dispenser, push the black button down. Whilst pushing the button in, slide upwards until the top of the dispenser locks into place. If you are using a new dispenser, or if you haven't used your spray for 2 days or more, check the pump by pressing firmly into a tissue until a fine mist appears. Press the top of the dispenser firmly to release one spray into your mouth, avoiding your lips for the best results. Wait a few seconds before swallowing. Do not inhale the spray. It shouldn't spray into your throat. In case your cravings are not relieved within a couple of minutes, use the spray again. To close the dispenser, slide the button down until it can be pushed slightly inwards. Then, while pushing in, slide down to lock. Use the Quickmist whenever you have the urge to smoke. Do not exceed 2 sprays per dose or 4 sprays per hour. One dispenser contains at least 150 sprays. Over time, you should need to use the Quickmist less frequently to control your nicotine cravings and withdrawal symptoms, until you have quit for good. Are you ready to quit for good? Choose the Nicorette format that is right for you.